All right, 1-8. Angela has a rectangular piece of paper and cuts a rectangle out of a corner as shown at the right. What are the area and perimeter of the resulting shape? Okay, now typically for area and perimeter problems, sometimes there's a lot of different ways. Sometimes there's only a few ways, sometimes there's a lot of ways to find the area and the perimeter. The one thing that's going to be critical when you do these problems for me is please show your work. I don't care what method you use, but I want to be able to see how you did the problem. Don't say you did it in your head. That's great if you can. I want to actually see. I can do these problems in my head as well, but I'm showing you how I'm doing it. So I want to see what method you're using. So please show your work and all will be well. All right, so again, there's a lot of different ways to do this problem. I think the first part I'm going to start with is area. And so there's not one formula. I want to get the area of the whole shape, And sometimes it's just one formula. But in this case, um, there's going to be, you're either going to add parts or add and subtract parts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a whole rectangle. And so the area of the total shape, and I'm just going to use a T here for total, is going to be the area of this big rectangle, which I think all of you can see is 16 centimeters times 21 centimeters. And then that's for this whole shape. So then what I'm going to do is just subtract out this little piece here. Well, 6 minus 21 is 15. And 16 minus 9 is, what is that, 7? So this is 7 centimeters, okay? And so then I'm going to subtract out the area of the rectangle, which is going to be 7 centimeters times 15 centimeters, okay? So then the area of the total shape is going to be 16 times 21, which is 336 centimeters squared, minus 7 times 15, which is 105 centimeters squared. And the area of the total region is 336 minus 105, which is 231. So this is 231 centimeters squared. Okay, so that's the area. Now be careful, a lot of these questions are two parts, so not only do they want the area, but they want the perimeter. Now remember, perimeter is going to be the sides added, the outside sides added together. So I'm just going to say equals all sides. Oopsie, I can write. Try that again, all sides added. All right, so now what we're going to do is I'm just going to add all the sides. So we've got the perimeter. So we've got 16 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 15 centimeters plus 9 centimeters. And then the last one plus, oopsie, shoot, sorry about that, guys. I just don't know why it's doing that. All right, let's try that. 9 centimeters plus 21 centimeters plus 21 centimeters equals perimeter equals, and so then I need to add those all up. 16 plus 6 plus 7 plus 15 plus 9 plus 21 is 74 centimeters. So 74 centimeters is the perimeter. All right, so the keys here to this problem are that I showed all my work. I showed you what I did, how I did it. And I think as long as you're doing that, I'll be able to figure out what you're doing. If you just had answers, it's great that you got the right answer, but I don't know, I can't tell you what you did wrong. It's difficult to explain it to someone else. So the key to these is just show your work. All right, thank you.